If you're filling multiple small holes, can you go back and put nails or screws through them? The kids keep pulling the shower rod out of the wall. My guess is that a lot of the shower rods come with these short little screws. The drywall is 1/2 inch thick, so you got to be at least a 1/2 inch thick and longer. I would say like 1 inch or so screw or longer to be able to hit the stud that's behind there. But if there's no wood behind there like there should be, if that's the case, I would use one of these. This is a toggle bolt. This piece right here just threads on the end of the screw. It comes with the screws and it comes with this. You make the hole up here big enough, and you're going to shove this into the hole. That's going to pop open behind the hole, and you put pressure against it while it's in there, like pull on the screw that way, like out a little bit, maybe with your fingers or something, just to keep the toggle bolt tight against the drywall. That way it doesn't spin. You tighten this up, and that's going to grab onto that drywall back here, and it's not going to want to pull out nearly as easy as those screws pulling out of the drywall. This was going to want to take the whole wall with it if it does. Like it holds on to it. It holds like 100 pounds or something. These toggle bolts come in different sizes. This one's like a medium size. They have different lengths and different sizes. They get pretty small. I like to use them for teepee holders because a lot of times these pull out of the wall very easily with the stupid anchors they come with. So I'll use toggle bolts instead because you ain't going to pull it out of the wall using a toggle bolt. Same thing for robes or towel racks. These are a great option for anything that likes to pull out of the walls. These anchors don't pull out.